On the other hand ho, totoo din naman na pag yung Google price na 40, pag bibilin mo in bulk,
Yes.
bababa din ho ng konti.
Pwede rin po.
Meaning, sir, hindi mo masisi ang publiko. Alam ko, mahirap maging chairman ng BAC, mahirap maging DLG and Undersecretary for Peace and Order. I mean, when you got there, wetting was there, illegal logging, etc. No? And there'll always be people who'll say this and that. No? But ang sinasabi ko po, katulad nito, no? Pinakita nyo yung 7, tapos sabi nyo, isa lang nagbigay ng price. To be very honest, ha? Sa akin, ang dating nun, or kung malikot yung isip ko, no? Parang may nagsabi sa 6, wag na kayo magbigay ng bid. Kasi parang nakakapagtaka na sasali sila, tapos hindi magbibigay ng bid. Alam nyo naman sa ating lipunan, sa ating gobyerno, di ba, minsan, kung mahigpit yung bidding process, as you said, it's transparent. To be fair to you, you're trying to make it transparent, but to be fair to the law requires that. But ang problema, alam natin, maraming lusot yon. And isang lusot doon, for example, sir, di ba? Nakita ko halos lahat ng pangalan na nilagay nyo doon sa screen. Halos lahat ho yun, kung hindi lahat, nagsusupply ho ng baril sa publiko yun, di ba? I mean, they sell retail ho, di ba?
Mostly po.
Mostly.
Yes.
And if they sell retail, that means they need a permit from the PNP also.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that means that kung meron justifiably o hindi, alam mo naman sa atin, whether retired o nandyan, gagamit ng pangalan, sabihin sa kanila, wag na kayo mag-submit ng bid. Kung hindi, pati lisensya nyo, baka hindi na kayo makapag-import or something like that. Kasi yun po ang problema pagka hindi lahat nag-submit ng bid or isa lang ang naglagay po ng bid, di ba? Parang wala tayong comparison, sir. No? So, what will you do to try to avoid or to fix that situation? I mean, assuming, sir, na yun pa rin ang pinakamura, it will be hanging over your head, so di ba? Parang lalabas may 40,000 dito, may 89,000. So you're saying kanina, you're trying to get them to bid? Or?
Yes, active solicitation. Sabi nga ho namin. Para
Have you consulted COA ho if you can go directly to the manufacturers?
Palagay ko wala hong may.
Kasi ang alam ko, ang alam ko sa bidding, pagka may certain things na pagka sila lang nagsusupply, pwede kang dumiretso din doon. Tapos yun nga ang pinakamura. Ang purpose kasi ho ng public bidding ho, yung pinakamura. Assuming na pare-pareho. But I was reading a little bit, halimbawa sa ibang bansa ho, the police choose which type they want, anong brand nung barrel, precisely because hindi naman pare-pareho yan So kung anong pinaka-effective for police work, pinipili na nga nila. And then if you go straight to the manufacturer, ibig sabihin walang middleman, walang local distributor, you'll make sure that you get the cheapest price. Are you looking into this? Or?
Yes, opo. Actually, may modes of procurement. Kami initially talaga public bidding. After, on the third failure of bidding, that's the only time mapag-aaralan namin. Kung baka hindi talaga nila kayang i-satisfy, maybe that's the only time we can...
But yung public bidding po, you're assuming that acceptable sa inyo ang lahat ng ganitong klaseng barrel, no? I mean, sabihin, no, siguro if I ask most of the generals in this room, a majority of you will give me a preference already kung anong pinaka-effective na pistol, di ba? Baka hindi magkapareho 100%, but mula kay Yusek, kay Chief PNP, kung Glockman yan or kung, di ba, kung anumang brand, meron na kayong I think, di ba? Not because you're favoring the supplier, but because you think for law enforcement that's the most effective.
Yes, we are being guided by the Porcom specification. Pinag-aaralan po namin kung anong gusto namin expect without mentioning the brand. Kasi bawal ho kasi yung mentioning the brand. Yes. Especially, pero...
But ang nangyayari tuloy, kung yung iba ho na gustong dayain, tinataasan ng spec para yun lang ang pwede. Kayo, parang ginagawa nyo generic ang specs para hindi nyo i-mention ang brand. Pero sa totoo lang po, as I said, yung ibang mga bansa, determine ng kanilang police force na eto nga mas maganda kasi buhay ng police ang pinag-uusapan dito So ayaw mo manalo sa bid just because mas mura, pasok sa spec, pero tingin mo, eto, nagja-jam or whatever like that. No? But anyway, sir, for the purposes lang naman nung hearing na to, the thing is, it was stopped and we have to find out if justified yung pag-stop in the sense that it was overpriced. Kung hindi, wala tayong problema. Pero kung meron, bakit nagkaganon? So right now, what you're telling us is that sa investigasyon nyo, even if it was stopped, hindi ho overpriced ang 89,000. What I meant by overpriced is above what you can get in the market.
Ano ho, yung na-mention ko kanina, kasi ho, there were, yun, mukhang may miscommunication. Siguro ho yung 40,000, they are referring to the gas type. Yung nabanggit ko ho kanina, and we're looking for a gas piston type, which actually modernized, mas upgraded po yung version.
So you'll be able ho to show the committee na from the manufacturer na eto price nila, eto.
Yes, meron po kami actually presentation dyan, pati yung mga taxes na dapat ma-incur, freight, etc. Meron po kami how we come up with the doon sa price po namin na determine.
Mr. Puno, you said earlier that you're designated as the DILG observer in the PNP. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I happen to know that you are not designated as such by Secretary Robredo because the person he appointed, in effect, as his representative was Attorney Angel Ohastro. What do you have to say about that?
That is his representative, Your Honor, for his office. When we had our own meetings, I had my own meeting with the Secretary, I told him that I will be sitting also as an observer. That is the reason why I always give him the reports every time that
So
there is a back.
the basis for your status as observer was simply your report to the Secretary. That is what you want to make us understand.
Yes, Your Honor.
And simply because you did not object to it, you considered yourself an observer from that time on.
I asked the permission of the Secretary at the time.
Really?
Yes,
Show
Your
me
Honor.
the writing.
It was verbal when we were talking that I told him that I would be sitting as an observer also in the back.
Oh, pinaliwanag mo anong gagawin mo bilang observer? Kasi nasabi nitong Deputy Director General, observer pala, participante. Dahil nagsasalita.
Hindi po kami as an observer at saka nagsasuggest din po kami doon.
Nagsasuggest lang kayo.
Opo.
Pero sinabihan ng mga suppliers, wag na kayong makulit dyan. Ito na lang. Mamaya nag-fail ang bid.
Ang meeting po namin doon hindi naman po para para lang mabilis lang at matapos na yung bidding na